On July 1st, 2013, the Department of Public Instruction launched a new discretionary grant, the Transition Improvement Grant, or TIG. The TIG combines two long-standing discretionary grants, the Wisconsin Statewide Transition Initiative, or WSTI, and the Wisconsin Post-High School Outcomes Survey, WPHSOS, into one dynamic statewide IDEA discretionary grant. TIG's mission is to provide professional development to educators, youth, families, and transition partners to ensure every child graduates college and career ready. TIG is intended to provide universal, targeted, and intensive supports at no cost to Wisconsin educators, transition partners, families, and youth in the area of post-secondary transition to improve strategies that will positively affect the post-school outcomes of students with disabilities. The TIG is designed to strengthen and accelerate the transition process in our Wisconsin schools to increase high school graduation rates, decrease dropout rates, improve the quality of post-secondary transition plans, or PTP, and develop strong career and college readiness among our students with disabilities through positive post-school outcomes. The TIG has developed several tools which incorporate reviewing data, strategic planning, and implementation of transition best practices to improve outcomes for students with disabilities. Each tool provides evidence-based practices, comprehensive transition planning activities, and services and supports to assist students in achieving their education, employment, and independent living goals. Through this process, we also encourage partnerships with outside agencies and attendance at County Communities on Transition, or CCOT. Much of our work within these tools are based on national, state, and local resources from the National Technical Assistance Center on Transition, the National Dropout Prevention Center, What Works Clearinghouse, Institute of Education Sciences, Courageous Conversations, the Network, Equitable Multi-Level Systems of Support, and the Wisconsin Department of Public Instruction. When a district engages in a rigorous continuous improvement process, a thorough data inquiry and needs assessment should lead a team to engage in analysis of root causes that surface opportunity gaps for specific student groups. In order to address those gaps, a district will then identify evidence-based improvement strategies to close those gaps. TIG staff work with district teams to provide a transition needs assessment based on predictors of post-school success to support district transition planning. This assessment assists districts in building improvement strategies, student interventions, and implementation plans for improving post-school outcomes for all students with an IEP. The TIG staff also provide ongoing coaching throughout the school year to assure continuous improvement is monitored through action planning, data collection, and ongoing technical assistance professional development to improve outcomes for students. The TIG provides monthly monitoring of student post-secondary transition plans for each district in Wisconsin to assist with the Indicator 13 compliance, but also to provide best practice technical assistance in transition planning. The TIG staff also coach districts through in-depth data reviews within Indicators 1, 2, 13, and 14. As we know, using data, identifying interventions based on data, and monitoring those interventions keeps students on track to graduate college and career ready. For more information regarding the Transition Improvement Grant, contact Grant Director Alicia Reinhard, Regional TIG staff, or visit our website at witig.org.